Glory be to God. We're improving. I thought I say we go soon meet federal government, ask them for Ruga place. Outside there, na cow. We have about 10 cow here yet, but very soon we'll add more. Then we'll have goat, ram, in case you need some ram for your Odun, and you can pay well, then you can come. You see those goats here? We have Boa goat, we have red Sokoto, Maradi, we have African dwarf, West African dwarf. We have them all here. And we thank God because we are still increasing by the grace of God. Hey, what you they do? Stop that! Stop that! Stop that! Stop that!